Hi, this is Chandani from Filmy Beat, and we are with the discussion with the Tanya, Sahil, and Gyanendra from the team Lootcart. Hi, Sahil. Hi, Tanya, and hi, Gyanendra.
Hello, hi.
Hi, Shanti. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Uh, so I have set a few questions for you guys, and shall we start?
Sure.
Easy.
Okay. So first, I would like to ask Tanya, tell the viewers something about your character in the Lootcart.
About Latika's character. Okay. Latika's character is a football coach who goes on this heist with her brother because of her motivations and very pure intentions to do something for the family because the family comes from very simple needs and these siblings come from very humble beginnings. So to kind of protect their family, they go to any extent. And this series is about these events that go wrong. So Latika's character is a very simple, motivated girl, in the sense that family is of utmost priority to her. She wants to do something that can truly set her apart, which she does for the wrong love. It does set her apart, but for very twisted reasons. And you will see that she's a superwoman. Yeah, she's an ordinary girl, but when it comes to her family, there is no stone that she's going to leave unturned. So that is where her motivations and her drive comes from. And you will see along with the sibling duo how they end up in the wrong company, sometimes in the right company also, as Gyani sir's character comes along. So you'll see a lot of twists and turns and twisted fate of events, I would say.
So the next question to Gyanendra. How difficult was it for the cast to make a high drama like this palatable for the audience?
I'm sorry, I didn't get your question. Sorry.
So my next question is to Gyanendra. How difficult was it for the cast to make a high drama like this palatable for the audience? So that
Uh,
they won't get any wrong notion or something like this.
difficult. Every shoot is difficult that way because again आपको पेपर से रियलिटी स्क्रीन पे उभारने में जो मेहनत लगती है वो तो लगती है. But the script in our hand was quite good. So everybody was motivated to you know work on their characters and bring those situations alive. And we had a fabulous director whose energy was so infectious that everybody would work on the set स्टार्टिंग अगर सुबह 6 बजे से रात को शाम को 6 बजे तक और उसके बाद भी अगर शूट एक्सटेंड हो रहा है तो you would never see him tired. So and he's like a child like energy on the set. So उस वजह से काफी एक्टर्स को भी बहुत मदद मिलती है because actors usually look towards director uh, to gain confidence and strength and everything. So मुझे लगता है रुचिर का वहां पर होना काफी हेल्पफुल था एज डायरेक्टर हिज एनर्जी एंड इट वाज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अ शो लाइक दिस. बाकी मुझे लगता है ऑडियंस के लिए हमने पूरी कोशिश की है कि उनके लिए एक ऐसी स्टोरी हम लेके आए जिसमें उनका थ्रिल बना रहे और वो अपने कुर्सियों के एज पर बैठ के इसे देखें और इंतजार करें कि अब क्या होगा. और ये जो लोग कर रहे हैं जो कैरेक्टर्स जो आपको करते हुए दिख रहे हैं उनके पीछे मोटिव क्या है उसको गेस करते रहना आपको पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो अचानक से बदल जाते हैं. अगर एक किसी रंग बदल लेते हैं अगर हम कहें किसी गिरगिट की तरह तो आपको लगे अभी तो ये ऐसा था. All of a sudden why is this character doing this and but those characters have strong motivations to be like that and सबके अपने hidden motives हैं तो उसको एक्सप्लोर करना बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा ऑडियंस के लिए आई गेस.
So my next question is to Sahil. Uh, Sahil, there?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so how did it feel like portraying a character who plans bank heist? Did it affect you personally?
Uh, I think as an actor, it's a delight to play a character that you will never be able to, or you will never dare to do in real life. मतलब मैं साहिल कभी सोचे कि बैंक में हाइस करना, तो कभी भाई तौबा। बट ये एक्टिंग ऐसी ऐसी एक प्रोफेशन है जिसके जरिए आप उस किरदार को प्ले कर सकते हैं जो आप शायद रियल लाइफ में नहीं कर सकते। So it was a great experience, you know. It was a great journey altogether. Ruchir, as Gyani Bhai said, that you know he's a great director and he's taken us on that journey together. And it's beautifully our showrunner Saurabh da जिन्होंने स्कैम लिखा है, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से, हमारे राइटर्स रितु जी और अमन रुचिर, इन सब ने मिलके बहुत एक अच्छा शो लिखा है जहाँ से आई थिंक उस जर्नी की शुरुआत होती है। तो और हमको स्क्रिप्ट लेवल पे इतनी अच्छी चीज जब दे दी जाती है, तो इट्स अ प्लेजर फॉर एन एक्टर टू परफॉर्म दैट। सो इट वाज फन।
So how easy or difficult was it for you to delve into the character of Palash?
It was, I wouldn't say that it was difficult or easy, but it's a challenge every time you try to portray a character and you try to find the me in that particular character. Like I would try to find the similarities or the challenges that Sahil would face in his real life, and to somehow find in Palash's journey, and try to portray that. So it was a challenge, and it was a great experience. It was fun.
How did you choose a fierce role for the series over a
Yeah.
glamorous one? I mean, what are the parameters you look for before you signing up for the series?
I would say I have always believed that content is king, and your story has to connect with you as an actor, but also as a consumer. So I've always perceived my projects as something. Okay, if I would like to watch something like Latika is such a character because she's so needed, yeah, because she's so real. She is so flawed and she accepts her flaws. But you don't see enough of that. We see a glamorization of these flaws and everything. But here is this girl in all of her simplicity who says कि हाँ यार मैं हूँ गलत, उसको वक्त लगता है ये अपनी गलतियां admit करने में, but she does come around to seeing her own grace, which I think also has a lot to do with Palash's character, Sahil's character, that he makes her aware of these things. And I think we need more of these roles where I can understand, I can relate to her and I can connect with her. Ki, oh yeah, I mean, I see myself in her, even if it's in bits and pieces and just small glimpses, but I feel like we don't see enough of that. And how how strong and super like I think the ordinary woman is the biggest superwoman I could ever see. And we see a very fictionalized superwoman always. So it's time that these stories about these ordinary characters who are doing super ordinary things needs to be told. And I think that is what made me choose Latika and Loot Khan. And also the drive, the whole team, like you say, Ruchir sir, Saurabh sir, the writers, everybody was so passionate about the story. So you can't turn a blind eye to passion, I think, and that I think connects us as our craft would say, and that is what keeps us going. Yeah, this hunt for passion, this drive catcher. If they are so passionate about something, I also want to share in that.
Do you possess any of Latika's traits in yourself?
I would love to be as fierce as her and as real as her. I'm learning from her, I would say, but I think her protectiveness towards her family and the drive that she has, that she can go to any extent to do what it takes to give them it needs, what they need. I think that is there in Tanya as well. अभी काफी नीचे है तो दबा हुआ है. लतिका तो खैर हदें पार कर चुकी है. But yeah, that love and fierceness for her family is there.
So my next question is to Gyanendra.
Yeah.
Tell the audience something about your character that they didn't know from the trailer, seeing the trailer.
Oh, so we consciously revealed some part of it in the trailer because we wanted audience to know that much for now and come to watch the show when it goes live on 20th. फिर भी मैं इतना बता सकता हूँ कि पिनाकी नाम है कैरेक्टर का, एक टीचर है जो कि बच्चों को स्कूल में पढ़ाता है और काफी एम्बिशियस टीचर है। ऐसा नहीं कि वो अपना काम ईमानदारी से नहीं करता, पढ़ाने का काम भी बहुत ईमानदारी से करता है, लेकिन उसको उसकी और कुछ भी एस्पिरेशंस है लाइफ में, कुछ और भी वो चाह रहा है अपने लाइफ से। और बहुत डेयरिंग उस हिसाब से नहीं, उसका दिमाग ज्यादा चलता है, उसे पता है उसकी स्ट्रेंथ उसके दिमाग में है, उसके शरीर में नहीं है। तो कई सारी ऐसे सिचुएशंस हैं, आप जब देखेंगे कि जहां पर उसे फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ की जरूरत पड़ती है, वहां से उसे भागना पड़ता है बिकॉज इज नॉट ट्रेन्ड टू बी फिजिकली इन दो सिचुएशंस। बट जहां जहां ऐसी बात आती है कि आपको टैक्टफुली हैंडल करना है किसी चीज को, वहाँ you will see Pinaki, come up and take the forefront. So that is interesting, how people use different aspects of their personalities, or the fact that he is aware uski strength kya hai and he plays on that strength. That's what makes him very interesting.
Did the character shape you as an actor, especially?
Did the character shape of this actor?
Yes. Did it shape you as an actor? The character?
No, it's my responsibility to shape the character. No, I wouldn't say it shaped me. I had to shape him with Ruchir's help and also with my writer.
Okay. So, would you like to, this question is to all of you. Would you like to share any amusing anecdote from the set that might interest the viewers or audience?
Yeah, Sahil, Tanya, go ahead.
टनल वाले में क्या हुआ था आप बताओ।
इसमें क्या हुआ था?
टनल वाले सीन में क्या हुआ था, आप डिटेल्स अभी बता रहे थे ना हमको।
Yeah, टनल वाले में कुछ नहीं हुआ था. So there's one sequence in the show where these two characters are stuck in a tunnel, और
ट्रेलर में भी है छोटा सा
हाँ,
क्लिप।
जो कि ट्रेलर में भी है. So हाँ, और basically the problem was we had to deal with water, कि पानी के अंदर अगर वो फंस गए हैं तो फिर और उतना पानी हमको मैनेज करना था. तो पानी का फ्लो मैनेज करना रात को 2-3 बजे जब आधी नींद में लोग, बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. तो और एक्टर्स भी आधे नींद में है, दिन भर आप शूट करके थक चुके हैं, और वापस रीसेट करना उस पूरे सेटअप को, अगर आपका शॉट किसी भी वजह से कैमरा मूवमेंट या फिर किसी वजह से नहीं हो पाया जैसा आप चाहते थे, तो वो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग था, काफी चैलेंजिंग था. कुछ और एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस थे जिसमें एक हार्नेस के थ्रू हम लोगों को कुएं से बाहर निकाला जा रहा है. सो 2-3 शॉट में वो हुआ शॉट, लेकिन जो फोके टेक था उसमें आई लैंडेड अप ऑन माय टेल बोन बाहर निकल के. सो उसके बाद सारा दिन याद रहा कि आज मैंने एक्शन किया है. तो इस तरह की चीजें हैं.
तो ये तो कांड हो गया ना।
ये तो कांड हो गया.
Very good to hear. Okay, so that will be it. Thank you, Gyanendra. Thank you, Sahil, and thank you, Tanya, for giving me your time, precious time. And I hope that you get all the success from this Tooth Card series. I will watch it for
Thank you.
sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank
you so much.
That your audience watch our show on 20th of March on Amazon MX Player.
And it's available for free. You don't have to pay for it. So thrill का मजा फ्री में लीजिए.
वाह.
Thank you so much.
ये हमारी टैगलाइन है.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.